Stop. You're being detained. Shoplifting. Take this, set this down. You're being detained. Shoplifting.
Just take the bags. I'm trying to let it. Let's take them out here.
Yeah.
We're gonna take you out here. This is in the hallway. I got one ID here.
I got an ID here.
You just go on that wall.
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
Oh, okay. You stand over there. 10, 12.
All right, I'll start with you. Come over with me. Hey guys, we're gonna need you to go the other way. This area is closed. Go ahead and stand against the wall. All right. Do you know why we're here?
Yep.
Why are we here?
Victoria's Secret.
What happened in Victoria's Secret? I wasn't there. I was on a bike. So you tell me. Obviously we're here for a reason, but what happened in Victoria's Secret?
I don't know. That's what he said.
What did you guys do in Victoria's Secret? You said you know why we're here. So, oh, that's fine, but do you know why we're here? What was your part in Victoria's Secret? What you guys were doing? Did you take anything? Did you help take anything? Surveillance is going to say otherwise. So just remember, you're being watched. So what was your part? Honesty is always best policy. So you've never been arrested before? No? You just haven't gotten caught? You done this before? Shoplift before? No? So just because he said something happened in Victoria's Secret, what happened? What was your part? It's okay, you can be honest. You don't want to talk? That's it? Alright, cool. Why are we here?
I came to get something for my trip.
You came to get something for your trip. What kind of, what'd you come to get? Guys, can you go the other way?
A Nike.
Other way!
I came to get a Nike jumpsuit. That's it.
Okay, so what were you doing in Victoria? That way?
I bought some at Victoria's Secret. The receipt in there and everything.
No, you were never seen going to the register. We watched you.
There's a receipt in there.
Can you
I can
listen?
show you. Yeah,
You came from the store with an empty bag, or from your car with an empty Nike bag. Okay, you were watched from the whole time before you guys walked in. So don't play that game. You were seen on surveillance as well. So don't lie. Tell us what you were doing in Victoria's Secret.
I bought panties from
You never went to the cash register.
I can show you the receipt on my phone.
The receipts don't go on the phone, sweetheart.
I swear to God, on
No,
everything I love.
we watched you go
You
in.
can show you the email.
Sweetheart.
There's even a receipt in that bag. You can
There
go
isn't.
look at it.
There isn't.
So I didn't buy nothing at that store?
No, you never were seen going to that register. You guys were seen concealing objects. You were never seen going to the register. So don't lie. Stop lying. Be honest. This is what's going to hem you up. You're not.
I swear to God, on everything I love, I'm being honest.
It's cool. It'll go in the affidavit when we arrest you.
Yeah, but I'm just telling you the truth. Like
There is no receipt. There is no receipt.
There's a receipt on my email. Like you
There's-
can literally pull my phone out and look this
You
up.
never went to the register. So what'd you do? Airdrop it or something? I don't know. You never went to the register, so how did you pay for
But I
something?
can show you.
How?
Look.
I'm telling you, you were watched the entire time in the store. You never went to the register to pay for anything. Huh? So how did they take money from you if you never went there? So that's what I said. They airdrop it? Is it some special technique? Tell me, please, be honest. This is your chance.
The register. I bought
didn't-
pink panties.
You did
black
not
and
go
white
to
panties.
the register.
How you gonna tell me?
We watched you the entire time.
You couldn't have been.
Yeah, we did. I did not know, but we have enough people that did. And that's why you three are detained right now. Because you were watched concealing items and walking past a point of sale and stealing.
Real quick.
No, because there's nothing to show. I don't know how you're going to show me when you never went to the cash register. You
can I
never
show
checked
you?
out. No, you're detained. You
Okay.
cannot get in your phone.
I don't even gotta unlock it. All I gotta do is put it on.
I want to know how you went to the register, when you went to the register, when you were watching the entire time concealing.
We walked to the Victoria's Secret together?
No, because once we leave here, you're going in my car.
Okay.
So you tell me, how did you go to the register?
I walked to the register and gave them money out my purse, like a normal person would, right?
But you never went to the register.
Y'all got
So you're going to stick with it?
Mm.
You're going to stick with that. Okay, cool. Next one. What's going on right now? Why are you in a cop circle? Why are we stopping out with you? What happened? You don't want to talk? Okay. So you don't want to give your side of the story? Because all I'm going off of is what we have and what we've seen you guys do. So we're giving you an option to talk if you want to. But if you choose not to, that's fine. You don't want to talk? Okay. You may have one receipt, but it's not enough for what you guys took.
That's just for what one.
Y'all can't show me nothing else that I touched.
You were seen, all of you working together, choosing items together, working together in concert to steal. Doesn't matter if one person has the item and they walk out of the store with it, you all are taking the ride for it.
Okay, I understand.
I'm just being honest with you, that's how it works.
Can you show the receipt again real quick?
I was lying about it.
Take a picture to make sure you get your stuff back.
Let me see it.
No, you don't want all of
Let me see it.
I'm sorry, I don't want to show you.
Okay, that's fine. Hey,
No,
Okay.
I'm sorry. I don't want to read.
no, so the one with the red hair purchased something at the register, 141 today. Pair of red, or what color underwear were
It
they?
was blue and white.
Blue and white underwear for $2.99 or $3.18 after tax. So one item in that bag was paid for. So yes, that was one item. Yeah, she has it on her phone too. But
I'm gonna walk out this.
The constitutional issue here isn't whether a theft occurred. Dismissing exculpatory evidence, interrogating without Miranda on stop validity, the initial detention was justified. Terry requires only reasonable, articulable suspicion observed behavior across multiple stores with an empty bag. Clears that the shopkeeper's privilege extends detention authority to loss prevention. The custody question is controlled by Berkemer vs. McCarty. The standard is whether a reasonable person in those circumstances. Miranda versus Arizona, 384 U.S., Illinois v. Perkins, 496 U.S., 209. Every statement obtained after custody attached is suppressible. The evidence failure begins on camera. An officer states that digital receipts are legally valid in every U.S. jurisdiction. Courts and retailers accept them as complete proof of purchase. Loss prevention then confirmed from store point-of-sale records that a purchase was. Dismissing evidence before examining it doesn't just weaken the prosecution. Acting in concert liability exists under organized retail theft statutes, but it requires a completed transaction at the register directly contests the intent. The prosecution must prove she agreed to the scheme, her documented purchase. A legitimate transaction doesn't fully insulate a co-defendant, but it shifts the burden. An officer asked one subject her age twice on camera. Gault established that juveniles retain full Fifth Amendment protections. Most states require parental notification and an interested adult before custodial. All merchandise was recovered before arrests concluded. Recovery is a mitigating factor, not a defense. Jurisdiction and final disposition are unknown at time of analysis, but the Miranda officers and loss prevention receive a C+. The stop was legally grounded. 3 failures pull the grade down. No Miranda advisement before interrogation. The confirmed purchaser receives a B+. She offered the deduction. Once her receipt was dismissed, invoking counsel and going silent was the stronger legal move, not continue. The subject who admitted prior uncharged conduct receives a C. That state. Doyle v. Ohio, 426 U.S., 610. The silent subject receives a B, a sound constitutional instinct, but Berghuis v. Thompkins, 560 U.S., 307. 4 lessons from this encounter. First, second, present exculpatory evidence once, clearly. Third, invoke silence affirmatively, and on the record a verbal invocation is harder to challenge than passive quiet alone. Fourth, for officers rejecting evidence before examining it creates a credibility. Let us know in the comments if